Hello to all my friends out there. So this is my cooked fruit. I thought I better do another video in case some of you out there, you might be going, what does that even mean, cooked fruit? Okay, so I don't want to cook my fruit down too thick because it's going to be baking for maybe about an hour. And this was some pretty scrappy fruit. I even somehow I saved some twigs. I just threw all my odds and ends last month in this bag. And so what I did is I threw a pile of frozen fruit in this pan. And I added water in between 1/3 and 1/4 cup sugar, and I cooked the fruit down. So, okay, so now I want to make a dump cake. So after my fruit is cooked down, I want to add, you could also make pie filling and jam this way. I want to add maybe a tablespoon of lemon juice. That's why I keep this stuff in the stockpile. Lemon or lime is fine. And so, when you buy those big cans of fruit like I have been doing, you might be thinking, what am I going to do with all this fruit? Well, you're just going to freeze it. I bought this can of pineapple, and so I will just freeze this for later because I don't feel like eating a bunch of pineapple right now. I could force myself to eat it, but I don't want to eat it right now. So I'll just freeze it and maybe I'll make something out of it. Okay, so now what I had is about a half a package of lemon cake mix. You don't have to be really precise about these. Mainly what you want to do is you just want to cover your fruit with the cake mix. And then the directions say, and then dot this with some margarine. And also, on the dump cake recipe, it calls for a lot of margarine. I don't think that's necessary. Just dot the top with a little margarine. Small pieces all over the top. And then it says bake for 1 hour. But once I see the cake mix is baked, it's pretty much done. So this is how it's a good way to use up, when I get this fruit over here frozen, I can throw it in a bag. I think that's enough margarine on the top. So now I'm just going to slip it in the oven at 350 and I'll be back, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes. The directions say an hour, but okay. That's the fruit dump cake. That's my leftover bits of fruit in the freezer, and God bless you all.